Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let's get to this look. So of course I'm gonna go in with my Pro Base and I'm just gonna tap that all over my eyelid until it's nice and smooth. A flat brush is definitely helpful in this step. Now I'm going with a dark purple eyeshadow. I'm just gonna buff that in all over my eyelid. I'm just placing the color and then I'm gonna blend it all out. Always go back and forth with a brush with no product on to really blend out that edge so there's no harsh lines. Sorry guys, I was thirsty. Now I'm going with the Ingla AMC Black Eyeliner and I'm just going to tap on a flat brush on the product and place it all over my eyelid. This is how I get a really dark black eyeshadow look. Definitely helps using gel eyeliner as a base and then really blending it out with a brush with no product on and also going in with black eyeshadow. Right here I'm just adding the black eyeshadow that I mentioned before to really smooth out that edge because we don't want no harsh lines. Then I'm gonna blend all out with some purple eyeshadow again. So far it should look like this. Now I'm gonna go with the P. Louise base in white and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. In this step it's definitely useful to use a flat brush that's very thin so that way you can get a very nice straight and crisp line. Now I'm just gonna go in with a makeup wipe and just wipe the inside of that off so we don't have to pack on product or mix any product. Now I'm gonna go back with my Pro Base in white and just tap that all over the eyelid. We really want that line to be nice and straight. Alright, now here I'm going in with a nice shimmery baby blue type of tone and I'm just going to tap that all over the base until it's very opaque. To really smooth out that edge, I'm going with black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it in with the blue. Now I'm going with the Black Moon Cosmetics highlighter and I'm just going to tap that underneath my eyebrow. I'm going to go back in with my Ingla eyeliner and start my wing eyeliner. I can't tell you guys how much I love this angle brush to do my eyeliner and eyebrows. This is the only thing I literally use. I've been having this brush for years. And it's actually a paintbrush. Look how nice and straight that eyeliner looks. Okay, now I'm just gonna wipe off the makeup on the bottom. Right here I'm using black eyeshadow and I'm using a very light hand to place the lines where I want my spider web to be. With a tiny brush with black eyeshadow and a very light hand, I'm gonna start placing the curves of how spiderwebs look. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to clean my lines up by using the Pro Base again. Okay, now face time. Now I'm going to go with my Milk Hydro Primer and just going to rub that all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Concealer and place that under my eyes, my nose, and chin. And I'm just going to blend that all out with a beauty blender. The way I do it is that I usually concentrate the color in the center and then really fade it out towards the edges, so that way in the middle of my face it's very bright. Now I'm going with my Fenty foundation and I'm just gonna tap that all over my face with a beauty blender. I usually use 1 drop of foundation on my face, or if I want more coverage I use 2 drops. 1 on each side. Now I'm going to use this setting powder and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and my chin. Now I'm going with the shade Donut in the Morphe contour palette and contour my face. We gotta make sure we get that jawline line and chin chisel. Now I'm just gonna set underneath my contour to cut it and brush off the middle section of my face. Now again, I'm gonna go with the Black Moon Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Jellyfish and highlight all over my cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Then I'm going to go in with Milk Cosmetics Genesis and use that as blush. Now wipe off the setting powder. Then I'm going to use Mimi Artistry eyelashes. Cheers everyone. Then I'm just going to place those eyelashes on. These are in the style called Quarantines. Now I'm going to go in with this purplish lipstick. And finally set my face. Here's a little close-up. I hope you guys enjoyed this spiderweb look, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.